Hi! When installing or even running Bohemicus, you might encounter some issues. Perhaps your antivirus software might tell you that this might be a piece of dangerous software, or perhaps your Windows 10 will tell you that Windows doesn't recognize this software and it will warn you against running it. So please rest assured, Bohemicus is not a virus. It's nothing that could do any harm to your computer. Bohemicus is a productivity tool that is here to help you out. The problems you might be facing are because I'm a small developer and my code certificate signature has not grown to the requested level yet. So Microsoft or other companies, antivirus companies and whatnot, they don't know me, they might not recognize the software, and they might think that this might be a malware. But rest assured, once again, it is not a virus, it is not a malware. Please trust me, I am telling you, this is completely harmless piece of software. If you don't believe me, you can run Bohemicus in some virtual computer first, something like VMware or VirtualBox. You can run it there, you can just see how it behaves, what it does, and then once you trust it, you can upload it to your real native system. So thank you for your attention, and thank you for trusting us and for trying this software out.